Beneath the cross of Jesus, I fain will take my stand. The shadow of a mighty rock within a weary land. A home within the wilderness, the rest upon the way. From the burning of the noontide heat and the burden of the day. Upon the cross of Jesus, mine eye at times can see the very dying form of one who suffered there for me. And from my smitten heart with tears to wonders I confess the wonders of his glorious love and my own worthlessness. I take across thy shadow for my abiding place. I ask no other sunshine than the sunshine of his face. Content to let the world go by, to know no gain, no loss. My sinful self, my only shame, my glory of the cross.